Okay, this is Summer Carnival Hibiscus. And it's kind of wilting on me, so that's making me a little bit frustrated. But we're going to go and we're going to fill in some spots with some hydrangea. I think I might have to go get some more spirea bush from my yard.
Yeah.
That's pretty. So we're going to strip those leaves off. No, this is working out. This is looking pretty good. Let's see if I like that together. Look at that. Look at those colors. Look at that color. Look what the rose did to this. That is glorious. Do you have any more of those roses? I'm going to put the brown in there somehow. We're going to stick them right in there. Ooh, look what that did. That one's pretty. Then I'm going to kind of keep going with the... Yeah, see, I'm liking this a lot better. This design is making me happy. Okay, I think oh, I have one more yarrow. I got one more yarrow. Let's put this yarrow. Let's kind of complement. See, I want some of these crazy leaves to come out a little bit. These ones are limelight hydrangea. I'm going to kind of come under that yarrow and pull this rose up a little bit. Oh, there we go. This is getting more like what I was thinking. So what you do is you take and you clip and then you strip the leaves off. And then you try to put this where you think it would look really nice. And I think I need to go grab some more spirea bushes before I add any more of this on. It's not feeling right. I've said it before, but you kind of shake it a little bit. I added some more spirea bushes in here. And we want to make sure these are called Francis Meilland roses. We want to make sure those shine because we didn't have a lot of them. Okay, let's see what I want. I think I need some more spirea bushes. Spirea. This side. Oh, the branch and a half. Look at that. This wilty one is almost not doing what I need it to do. I mean, this right here is pretty cool. I don't know. Let's give it some more chance. I might want to grab some Weigela to kind of pull it together a little more. So we'll just add some, and then we can put a hydrangea right there. That'd be cool. All right, let's see. My son's being super patient with me. Thank you. See how I kind of put it right in the center of that section? Did you see that? Kind of had a spot right for it right there. Okay. Do we like this? It needs something else. But this, you wouldn't think this would bring it together, would you? Look at those cosmos. Kind of pretty, but I don't know if it's the right color. I might steal some pinks from that because I don't know. Here, maybe. Nope. There's that one right there. So there's kind of these browns are kind of fun.
Yeah, they're mine.
Ooh, that's pretty. All right, the last of this hydrangea right here. Look at the color.
Now.
I need that color. That is pretty. So I'm going to go down as far as I can. And then I just strip the leaves. Can you see this? And then I'll just put them back right there. So let me cut the rest of these I got I got 4 there. And then in the sun, it's kind of hard to see, but I also have tons there if I need them. So let me cut some of these real fast, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've gotten 4. Do you think I need more than 4? I might.
And one more. Won't hurt.
Cut some more on this side. This is a big old. Look how pretty that one is. And these I like to use because I can also, once I've used them in my bouquet, they last so long that I can still plant them back outside. Okay. Oh, those are glorious. So I came out of the sun. Look at these sedums. I have been using the sedums over and over again this year. They are so pretty. So these definitely need to be added. So the first one that I've stripped right here. So let me strip the leaves real fast on it and add it to this bouquet. And then let's see what else we need. Okay, so as I look in this, let's see where we need some color. Let's put it right there. So I only have 2 of these. I wish I had a 3rd one there. Might have to look around for another soft color like this. Okay, let's add another dark. Should we put it here to frame this rose? Get it in there. Come on, open up. There we go. So push it in a little bit. Oh, I need it the other direction. I need to frame that rose. Now you're going to see those roses better. Not that one, this one. Can you see how it kind of framed it a little bit? This is too wilty. It's making me kind of mad that it's not holding its shape. Okay, so we're going to break up these hydrangeas there. Break up the hydrangea there a little bit. Oh, that adds so much beauty. Look what it adds to it. I'm just loving that. Okay, let's see. All right, I got to stand back a bit, figure out where I need some more. Let's add right there. These hydrangeas are coming down a little bit too much. And the shape is weird. I need some more of this. Okay. Where do I need that color? Should we frame the other side of it? That would be fun. It's kind of framing that rose. And now you see that rose really well because the dark with the light contrast.
Pretty good.
Thank you. And I don't ever know if this will add. It always adds to it. Doesn't it always add to it?
That is beautiful. Wait. Put it right here. Right there.
Smarty. I need a bigger sprig right there. So what I'm going to do
You
is...
need one bigger one.
Yeah, but the problem is I've lost a hydrangea in there. So I'm going to try to, without breaking the hydrangea, there we go. Okay, we're going to take this and we're going to see if we can get it down the center without making a hole in the whole bouquet here. That is pretty. Okay, now I need to go get more of this and more spirea and a couple things of weigela. I will be right back. I have some weigela branches, and also like everything else in my yard, I'm cutting them down pretty far. So we are running out of colors here. Look at the contrast between those two. Isn't that beautiful? We've got a sedum here, weigela, hydrangea, Dusty Miller, spirea. That is beautiful. All right, do we want it just on this side? Okay. This one's kind of more of a floppy one. Okay, so I'm going to shake it up a little bit and see what I'm missing here. We need more silver, for sure. Down the center. I keep just adding it to the top. open your hand when you add something to the top. And then we're going to kind of shake it and see if we can get it in there a little better. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. I just keep wanting more of that. This sedum. Oh my goodness, it's just so heaven. Heaven is a word. It's an adjective for me. It's a noun for me. It's everything.
It's life for me.
It's life. Heaven is good. This is heaven on earth right here. Okay. All right. More Dusty Miller. I'll be right back. I'm going to go look at my yard again and see what else I can find. I feel like some of it's kind of dropping in there a little bit. So you need to just move it around until you get the feel that you want. See how we're losing some sedums in here? All right, that's a little bit better. I want to add a couple more of the Dusty Millers on the side because they are just always add so much fun to a bouquet. Oh, look, that's where it went. Is it kind of floppy? I don't know. All right, so let's see what we've got here. 1, 2, these are kind of fallen. Let's see if we can put it right in there. Everything's kind of falling apart here. So the light pink is actually turning to be the accent color here because I'm adding so much of this dark pink. The dark pink is becoming one of the main colors. So let's kind of lift. And that brown is quite an accent too. The last two. All right, I gotta stand back a little bit. Do I like? I love. It's turning out very well. Right here. Okay.
There you go. Zoom out. There you go.
This one needs to go here. And then I'm going to look around. Any more red that needs to go in here. Keep just adding to that top. And then everything keeps falling into the bottom. Get in there. Don't break. Don't break. Okay. Let's put that rose back in there. Okay. I think we're done. That is pretty.
Sorry, Kim.
So this is more my style.
That's gorgeous, Mom.
Thank you, sweetheart. This is pretty. I like this a lot more. See how nice it's starting to look? Those sedums sure brought it together. They're a lot darker in the fall than they are when they first come out. I think I'm going to go put it in a mason jar, and maybe the ones that are really in there will come out a little bit more. I'll show you the final.